I was watching OpenAI's Dev Day and thinking about what might be the future of software development. And actually, I'm realizing that's a bad question. I should be asking, what's the future of problem solving? I know that right now, watching all these announcements feels like everything has already been solved. But if I remember properly, that's the kind of thing that the Victorians used to think during the Industrial Revolution. And as we know, that wasn't the case. So I think we're in one of those transitions. It's just very fuzzy what the future is. My best guess right now, we are moving more into merging certain roles, having more design thinking, having an engineering mindset, even if you're not necessarily coding, and being able to like break problems down and solve them and kind of figure out what the value actually is. But then on top of that, also a huge depth of domain knowledge. So it will be easier for someone with the domain knowledge or with the specific interest to solve a problem there. And what this means is that there will be more people solving problems, not fewer. While today we are asking users to adapt themselves to our workflows, and then someone will create like a more niche workflow that someone likes it, and it's kind of a race to the bottom there of fewer and fewer users. We're just going to invert that a little bit and create software that can adapt to the user needs. And if you think that these systems are not yet there in terms of coding and developing applications, I wouldn't bet on that. As we added more compute to our machines, we also stopped caring so much about performance. And kind of, I guess, one balanced out the other. So compute just bought productivity for us in the form of ease of development. AI coding does not necessarily need to match human quality. It just needs to be good enough that the cost of doing it the old way will not outweigh the benefits. And that's when it switches. All right, let me know what you think in the comments. I'm still thinking through this. And if you're trying to figure that out as well, please let's connect. If you think the world will not change that much and that this is all just a fad, please also mention that in the comments if you'd like. Be nice though. I do strongly feel right now that is not going to be the case. Maybe the current solutions are a hype, but directionally, I think users are asking for this. So let's see. Bye.